Welcome students and parents to tonight's homework. I will show you lesson 14 in unit 2. So unit 2, lesson 14. We're wrapping up this unit. There's going to be a unit test by Friday. So we'll spend this week in review. Number 19, so this is just basic skills, and I hope you're spending at least 10 minutes every day with your flashcards, reviewing your multiplication facts. This also has a division fact, which is related to multiplication. 30 divided by 5 equals 7, and I know that is true because 7 going inverse, doing the opposite, 7 times 5 equals 30. So this is saying how many 36 divided by what equals 9, or 9 times what equals 36? Well, we know the answer is 4. So there's 9 4s in 36. All right. Number 19, using only whole numbers, Nikki wrote as many multiplication equations as she could with 12 as the product. So product means it's the answer to multiplication. So the question is, what were her equations? So how many ways can you show that 12 as a product? Right away, I think 1 times 12 equals 12. And then related fact, 12 times 1 equals 12. There's also 3 times 4 equals 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. 2 times 6, 6 times 2 equals 12, and I think that's it. Pablo wrote 4 division equations with 6 as the quotient. What could have been the 4 division equations that he wrote? This is similar to number 19. This time where it's a division problem, quotient is the answer to division. So he wrote 4 division equations with 6 as the quotient. So 6 times, you can just work backwards. We could say 54 divided by 9 equals 6. We could say 36 divided by 6 equals 6. 42 divided by 7 equals 6, and so on. All right, I'll let you do your own, at least one more, but if you can come up with more, go for it. All right, on the remembering, write an equation and solve the problem. Stephen has a stamp collection of 72 stamps. He puts 9 stamps in each page in his album. How many pages does he fill? So we have a total, and if there's a total, then it's division. So it's 72 divided among 9. Let's see, how many pages? So there's 9 stamps on each page. So 72 divided by 9 equals 8. 8 pages. And I know it's true because using multiplication, 8 times 9 equals 72. All right, try this on your own. And again, I really hope that you're doing some review on this. So use basic multiplication and mental math to complete. Well, 2 times 8 is 16. I hope you know that quickly, fluently. And if 2 times 8 is 16, and then again 8 times 2 is 16 again, but it's not really a 2, it's a 20. So it's 160. 6 times 4 is 24. 60 times 4 is 240. Write an equation and solve the problem. Max has $12 for the field trip. Sue has $4 less than Max. So 12 minus 4 equals Sue. Ellen has 2 more than Sue. So then we add the 2. Question, how much money does Ellen have for the field trip? So it's a 2-step problem. First we have to figure out how much Sue has before we can find out how much Ellen has. So Sue has 4 less than Max, so she has 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10, and that's how much Ellen has. Ellen has $10. And put a dollar sign there. Jeremiah mows 8 lawns. Andy mows 4 fewer lawns than Jeremiah. Sally mows double the number Andy mows. Question, how many lawns does Sally mow? 2-step problem. We have to figure out how much Andy mows. Well, it says that he mows 4 fewer than Jeremiah. So it's 8 minus 4 equals what Andy mows. And then Sally mows double what Andy does. So we find this difference and then we multiply by 2 to get double. 8 minus 4 is 4. And then 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 lawns. All right, is that a reasonable answer? It's quite a bit. It's pretty ambitious to mow 8 lawns, but it's a reasonable answer. And is 8 double what Sally does? Yes, because Sally's is double what Andy's is. So 8 is double 4. Stretch your thinking. Write 3 multiplication equations in which the product is 24. Then draw an array for one of the equations. Right away I think of 3